Hello everyone, in NTG I want to show you how to deposit. Okay, it is easy to deposit because they have different types of cryptocurrency that you can deposit with. You can also deposit with other methods, but I want to show you how to deposit with cryptocurrency, and I recommend you use cryptocurrency. Don't even bother to use your bank card, your credit card, or your debit card. Don't use any of those, although the options are there for you to use it, but I recommend only crypto because it's faster and it's more reliable. The bank will take a lot of time and a lot of days to get it approved. Sometimes they will reject your request to withdraw money from your bank and deposit into NTG. So the easiest way to deposit in NTG is to use crypto. So very quickly, let me dash into my account. After you have registered in NTG, the next thing for you to do is to deposit. But before you deposit, you should have redeemed the $50 gift loan, okay, which I am giving to everybody. And then the next thing is for you to deposit. So for you to deposit, log into your account, scroll to where it says top up balance, hit on that button that says top up balance, and then select crypto. You will notice that you have different options. So you have the option to use credit card, you have the option to use crypto, you have the option to use your cashback if you are already in NTG and you have enough cashback. Okay, but as I said, I am going to recommend you use crypto. So select crypto because it's the best. Okay, enter the amount you want to deposit here. Bear in mind there are charges that comes with this deposit. Okay, so now you select the payment method. Okay, here you will notice that they have different method of deposit in NTG. Okay, different method, different types of cryptocurrency. Okay, they have Binance Coin, they have Theta BNB, they have USDC, they have Ethereum, they have Theta USDT in Ethereum network, which is ERC20. But the quickest cryptocurrency and the cheapest for me is Theta TRC20. So select that, enter the amount you want. If you want to deposit $100, for example, enter $100, click add fund, and then it will generate the address where you are going to send your money to. Okay, I don't want to generate any address because I have already done the deposit. This is just for me to show you how it is done. So once you enter the amount you want to deposit, click on add funds. It will generate the USDT TRC20 deposit address. Copy that address, go to your exchange. Okay, if you can use Binance, you can use KuCoin, you can use Kraken, you can use so many other exchanges to send your USDT TRC20 to this account. Okay, to your NTG account. Once you have sent it, the money will appear in your ADV balance like so. Okay, so you will see your ADV balance and you will see the money sitting there. Now this money is going to sit here for 48 hours before it will now move over to your advertising budget. Okay, once it moves over to your advertising budget, you will now be able to activate your robot if it is the first time you are registering. But if you have already registered, you don't have to activate your robot if your robot is not inactive, because the robot will pick up the money from the advertising budget after 48 hours automatically without you having to do anything. Guys, so this is how to deposit in NTG. It is that easy. It's not difficult, right? So thank you for watching. If you would like to join NTG with me, the link to do so is below this video description. I look forward to seeing you in my NTG team. Let us grow together. Let us earn up to 35% on advertising campaigns deposits that we make. Remember, the up to 35% profit or rewards that we get is based on the deposit that we have made. Okay, thank you and God bless.